Magkano yan? Ini-edit niya pa.
Oo.
Oh, sige.
Samahan niya.
Dito po namin.
Ate.
Sawa ng kapatid mo ba ako?
Mga 130 kilo siguro to.
130.
136?
Me, 30, no 30, 30.
30.
130, not 36. I hope to lose, not to...
Yo, extra size.
Yeah. Because I don't move too much there. I stay only and I check the camera, you know?
Yes.
And I don't move.
Dito, what cut you want?
Because I will tight.
What cut?
Ah, cut. You clean only from here with machine. Here don't touch nothing. Only you go around.
Taas.
Yeah, nice like that. With, you know,
Ah.
with zero.
Zero daw.
Zero.
Sarap. So, Joy Boy.
For that. It's going to be recorded on your work. What's your name? Your name.
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 daw.
What is it? Pangalan mo ba? Pangalan mo?
Ano
Hindi pa vlog niya yan. Joey Boy.
Joy Boy.
Yes.
Ah.
Joey Boy handsome.
Ah.
Joey Boy handsome.
Joey Boy Poke. What's your
Joe
name?
Barber is Joey Boy handsome.
What's your name? Name?
Name. Okay. Oh, no.
Hey yo, what's up, man? Low.
Dito mo panoorin ako.
Napunta ka na sa ano?
Mention na. Special mention.
Panoorin ko mamaya.
In the last 10 years alone, I cut my hair.
Panoorin ni Bossing. Ito yung ano niya, YouTube channel.
Ilang days bago maano yan, ma-upload? One day lang. Bukas
I don't know if you understand something.
Kahit araw lang naman yan eh.
Araw
I
lang.
have the courage.
Naman yan. Dali lang naman.
Baka mamaya edit niya. Hindi siya
Oo,
pa rin.
upload. Oo, upload agad.
Bukas. Ah, puta. Pogi, Joey Boy! What's your name, Joey Boy?
Ilang subscribers na siya.
1,000 na rin po yan.
Sa YouTube, sa Facebook, ilang
What's your name?
Gina.
Parang nakabigat pa no? Pero wala daw bawas yung taas, hindi daw.
Don't
Don't cut your side by side. Up.
with zero, okay?
Okay.
Okay, do your job.
What's your name?
Yan yung...
Ay, mga ano? Asan yan?